Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how to solve numerical problems on electrical engineering using MATLAB software. Let us see the values and the formulas that are related to charge, and we will write the coding for the problems on charge. These are the values and formulas that are related to charge, which we have already seen in Numericals on Basic Electrical Engineering Series 1. The formula that are related to current, voltage, number of electrons, charge of one electron, work done, voltage, that are listed here. Let us see the first problem. Q is equal to N into E. Calculate the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge. So here in this problem, we have given this 1 coulomb of charge, and we need to find the number of electrons. How to find number of electrons when Q and E is known? We know that charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so having known that, we can find N. How to find the number of electrons? N is equal to Q by E. N is equal to Q by E. So here we know Q is equal to 1 coulomb and E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So on dividing it, we will be getting what is the number of electrons, which is 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. This we have already discussed in the numericals on Basic Electrical Engineering Series 1. So now let us see MATLAB coding for this problem. So we need to download MATLAB software, free student version, which is available in the net. Okay. Now I will show you how to open the MATLAB icon and start with the program. Here is the icon. This is the MATLAB software. After installation, you will be finding this icon. So you're going to double press on it, and then just wait some time. So here you'll be getting a window. This window is called command window, right? This is called command window. And on the left side, you can see number of toolboxes. So you can see here, communication toolbox, control system toolbox, like that n number of toolbox are available, which we can make use of. We can do programming either by coding or by using uh, devices, like making use of this toolbox, and we can design a circuit and simulate the circuit. So two ways of going with this software. So one is using Simulink for designing a circuit and simulating. The other one is coding. So we need to type the coding using the command window, or we can go for editor window. So here we have file. Yes. So click onto that file and go to new and then select M file. So by selecting M file, you will get a new M file, right? Here we are going to type the program and We will be getting the result in this command window. Okay. So let us see the difference between this command window and editor window. Right? See, on this command window, whatever we type, right? Say for example, A is equal to 10. So we are going to get the result there, right? But when we go for the editor window and when we type there A is equal to 10, see, we will be, this is used as a, for saving the program. So and after we complete or typing all these commands or the instructions, okay, one by one we will be typing the instructions, and after that we are going to save and debug. Only then we will be getting the final result that will be on this command window. But in the command window, when we just type, immediately we will be getting the output. Suppose if you don't want A is equal to 10 to be displayed, then you can write A is equal to 10 semicolon. If you give that, you can find that the output is not being displayed. That's just the difference between A is equal to 10 and A is equal to 10 semicolon. So the semicolon is used not to display the output. Right? If you want to display the output, you should not use semicolon. Right? So let us see the first problem. Here in this problem, what are the things given? Charge is given, number of electrons we know, we need to find n. So n is equal to q by e will be the formula. Okay. So first what we have to do is we need to write what is given. Charge is given, right? So we are going to type the charge. Charge q is equal to 1, right? Then what else is given? Charge of 1 electron. Charge of 1 electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so we have done. And what will be the formula to calculate the number of electrons? N is equal to q by e. Isn't it? So n is equal to q by e. See, on typing n is equal to q by e, we are getting the output. What is the value? 6.25 into 10 raised to 18. So in MATLAB, we will be getting e raised to the value, that is 18, right? So instead of 10, we will be having here e. Got it? So we got the output. Shall we check the answer? See here. What is the value? We will check in the previous slide. So see here, 6.25. Here it is, or it is 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. But actually here it is 0.6 into 625 into 10 to the power 19, and that can be written as 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Yes, we are getting the same answer. Yes. So we have verified this first problem using the MATLAB software. So we have done it on the command window. So by doing it on the command window, immediately the results are being got. This is not the correct way of doing a program, right? So we need to go to the editor window and then we have to type the instructions so that we will get the output finally. Okay. So what we do, see, once when we type on this command window, we are not able to erase it. We are not able to delete this. See? We are not able to delete it. And we cannot edit it. Therefore, what we have to do is we need to go to editor window. So here is the editor window. I already told you how to go with this editor window. I told you, right? We have to go to file and then we should go to new and then select n5, new n5. Then the file, untitled file will be opened. There you need to type the program. So now I'm going to type the program. What is the data given? So let us say what are the data given. Okay, these are all the data given and what to find. So let us say that, and we will type it onto the editor window. So now I have typed what is given. Q is given. E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. See here in this MATLAB, we should not write 1.6 into cross. We should not use into. Instead, we should use asterisk here. So here we should use asterisk, and 10 raised to. In order to write 10 raised to, we need to put arrow mark like this. Okay, so we need to have this arrow mark, right? And the powers should be written nearer to that arrow mark. So 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, it's the right one. And here, we cannot write the unit. See here, if I write the unit, what it will not take. So Q is equal to 1 coulomb. If I type, what will happen? Let me see in the command window first. See, Q is equal to 1 coulomb. So if I type, see, it shows error. That means we can get only the values of the quantity, right? So let us type only the values of the parameter. So Q is equal to 1, E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and we need to find what n. N is equal to Q by E. Yes, we have done it. And suppose if you don't want to display this Q is equal to 1, okay, so you can put semicolon, and if you don't want to display this, you can put semicolon, and you don't want to display, you want to display this n is equal to Q by E, you can have n is equal to Q by E. Suppose if you want to display all these values as well as the formula, then you can remove semicolon. So now what we have to do, we have to save this in order to run. So I'm going to save this program. Okay, so how you have to save, you have to give a alphabet followed by a number or any alphabet. Okay, so since we are doing so many problems, so therefore I will take P1, right, and then I'm going to save it, right. After saving, I'm going to run. So there is debug, right? So you click on to the debug and then run. So by running, now you are able to see the output. Q is equal to 1, E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, and N is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. So we got the answer, right?
In the next video, I'll be explaining you how to write a structured MATLAB coding. If you like the video, kindly click the like button, comment, and share to all diploma and engineering students so that it will be very useful for them. Please subscribe my channel Rare Pearl Online Edu Class to get the upcoming videos. Thank you.